Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check Google Photos trash. So first, let's open our Google Photos app, and here navigate to Collections. Here on the top right corner you will see trash, and here you will find any of the photos that you've discarded over the last 30 days. But you'd have to keep in mind that any photo or video only exists in the trash for 30 days. If it exceeds that time limit, the photo or video will be permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.